The rise of generative AI is impossible to ignore. Educators everywhere are being asked to have a response to the question of what are you doing about Gen AI. Here at MIT, the approach we've been using is collective learning.
In 3 weeks, I'm flying out to Puerto Rico to train federal judges on AI. I'm training McKinsey on AI. Everybody wants to understand how this is impacting them. I don't think there's anywhere that's going to be as impacted as education.
And therefore, it is up to all of us to learn how AI might make a difference, both positively and negatively, in our own area of expertise.
We have been lucky enough to build conversations with some of the world's leading experts on AI in J-WEL week.
The most important thing that I will bring back is one main idea. It's that it's not humans against AI, but it's humans and AI.
And it's clear that there's huge potential for us to use AI in the classrooms and to improve the learning experience of our students.
How do I engage faculty to really see AI as an assistant, not as a threat, as a way to help you think things that you wouldn't have imagined.
During this week, we really had a lot of inspiration how to help students to use it, learn from it, and also make our life easier.
AI has tremendous impact on society. It's clear to me that universities have to step up and lead the discussion around the societal issues because nobody else will.